I am loving this hair. Like, my boo Richay did that.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling.
Hi, Dream. Hi, Dream. Hi, babes. Hi, babes. Hi. Hi. Hey, yo, you're so damn cute. Hey, y'all. So, welcome back to my channel. So I know you guys can see from the caption, I'm doing the glow up challenge. I know this challenge is hella old, but I've always wanted to do it. I just never seized the right opportunity to do it. So this is what this video is going to be. And also, you guys are going to be getting another sugar baby vlog for me, because this weekend my sugar daddy wants to take me out to like 2 events. So this is also why I'm doing the glow up challenge, because he gave me the money to get my hair done and get my nails done and to treat my aunt to get her feet done. So we're going to be doing that tomorrow. I know y'all like, bitch, what happened to your bun? Oh, all this is my natural hair. So for those who says I don't have hair, I do. It's a lot of it. I just semi-washed it because I'm actually getting a relaxer put in my hair, because y'all, if y'all could have seen the tangles that was in my hair. And then I have a lot of new growth, and then also I need to get my ends cut extremely bad, because I haven't got it in damn near a year, and normally I get my ends clipped every 6 months just to maintain my hair growth. So y'all gonna see its full length of my hair in a minute. So probably tomorrow you guys gonna see what my auntie actually perms my hair, but it's gonna be all part of the glow up challenge. And then I'm gonna have a separate that was my sugar daddy right there, actually. So back to what I was saying. So you guys gonna see me get my hair relaxed. And then also Queen is not doing my hair this time. Unfortunately, she couldn't do my hair because, as a lot of people, I think a lot of people know already, she's pregnant. And you know, I don't get it, but then I get it. But it's like, it's more to the story of why I say I don't get it. So it's not that I'm being insensitive because she's pregnant. It's just something else that happened why I'm saying it doesn't make sense. But so my friend Richay is going to do my hair. I'm going to have her stuff linked here. Make sure to go check her out. She does hair. I totally forgot my girl did hair. So when I've stumbled upon her hair page, I was like, oh shit, she does. So let me ask her. So I'm actually getting my hair done Friday. So I did my pre-wash today, and then I'm gonna have everything maintenance tomorrow. And then my appointment's at 9 with her. So yeah, and I'm gonna be getting a closure sewing. So a lot of people know me, I always get traditional sewings to where I have my leave out, but for some reason I'm so tired of having to deal with that, so I decided to get a closure. So my sugar daddy bought that for me. So let me show you guys. So this is my, I don't know if you guys can see it pretty good. This is my closure. This is a 14-inch closure. I actually got this by Bundlesnplus. I used, my first time ever getting my hair done by Queen, I bought my bundles through her and I love them. And then when I found out Queen was doing a hairline, I was like, I might as well just do everything all within house. So I got a 14-inch closure, and I got 4 bundles of body wave hair. So originally my sugar daddy went online for me and ordered my hair. I wanted 4 packs of 18 inches, but unfortunately, because Queen messed up on my appointment and she ran out of stock, so she actually upgraded me for free. So now I have 2 22s and 2 20s. So I told him, I was like, you remember how you ordered me 4 18s? And he was like, yeah, what happened? I was like, actually I got upgraded, so my hair is going to be longer. And he actually loves long hair, so because he met me when I was younger with long hair. So he was like, yeah, I want to see how everything turns out, because we're going out and I already got an outfit and stuff. So you guys are gonna be seeing that. So yes, so you guys are gonna see from bummy to baddie in a minute. So I'm super excited, because hey y'all, what's up? So I'm up here at work just chilling before I have to start. I just came from running some errands, and I went and got my nails done. Let me see if I can let it focus. Let me see, focus. Focus. My camera is such an asshole. Okay. So as you can see now, my finger tattoos look a lot freaking better. But I wanted like this I wanted this cute like holiday look with the glitter, and I got like this bluish purple on my nails. Y'all, this is like the longest I've ever done my nails. Everybody knows I always get like baby nails. So this is kind of long for me. And then also I got my eyebrows done. I don't know if you guys can see it. Y'all, they actually look like human brows because my brows was like in a marriage for the last few weeks. But I think she did an amazing job. Like, she knows how I like my eyebrows. I always go to Kim's Nails in Richmond. So if a lot of people who's from Richmond know about Kim's Nails, like I think a lot of people go there. It's like right across the street from Kaiser on Nevin. And I've been going there for years, like years. So go check them out. Hey y'all, so I just got home. I just got my perm put in. Excuse me, I am naked. I'm now conditioning it. I washed it all out and everything and just letting it set. But as you guys can see, my natural hair is long. I need to get my ends clipped, but yeah, I know y'all like, bitch, why do you wear motherfucking weaves? Because I motherfucking can. But I'm just letting it be known. Your girl has hair. And lots motherfucking of it. So, I just want to show you guys how, when I turn into an Instagram baddie, this is how good your girl looks. So if a man ever wanted to know what I look like without makeup and a weave, bitch, we clearly got hair, clearly good skin, and eyebrows fucking done. My eyebrows look good. But yeah, also I didn't get a full perm, so this is still not even my real natural length yet. Like, it's getting there, but it's not fully there. What I was about to say, I just did, just so Rashay, my hairstylist, can, yeah, I'm gonna flip this around. So she can get to my, so she'd be able to braid down my hair, because my hair is super thick, and I did not want to do that to that girl. She would have hated me. But I just basically like just did my edges and my beady beads, because I did not want to have beady beads and you getting a fresh weave. And then I just did I just mostly like sectioned my hair just so she could be able to comb through it, get through it just fine and easy, and be able to do what she needs to do for me. And then it makes the time go by a lot quicker when somebody's able to get through your hair, and I have too much of it to be putting that girl through that madness. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys that really quick. Yes, okay. Gorgeous. We didn't do no baby hairs, and it's looking like scalp. Straight scalp, okay. Hey y'all, so I just made it to work. Thank God I still made it on time. But y'all, I am loving this hair. Like, my boo Rashay did that, honey. And actually, I think I prefer the longer hair on me, because like I said earlier, I had ordered 4/18s of the body waved hair, but unfortunately, because Queen was out of stock, she actually gave me 3 22s and a 20 bundles of the body wave. So I actually prefer this. Y'all, I feel so sexy. Like, wait till I literally beat my face tomorrow. Like, y'all gonna get like a full better Simone. Like, I'm just fucking in love. And then y'all, I don't know, hold on, see if you guys can. Y'all, you cannot even tell this is not my hair. Like, Rashay blended that. Like, my skin just looks crazy because I'm tired and I need to moisturize my face. But y'all, she did that. I think I feel like my hair looks like Jasmine Sullivan's album cover. I'm not saying I look like her, I'm just saying my hair resembles hers. I'm gonna post that like right here, but I just think it does. But I want to give a shout out to my boo Rashay. Thank you, boo, for doing my hair. You did an amazing job, and we made that under that certain amount of time. Like, girl, love you. My hair is by Queen. Get your life on Insta. Oh, get the Queen in your life on Instagram. I'm gonna have everybody's stuff in this part right here. But y'all, I am in love. Like, I am gonna curl my hair a little bit more because I want it a little bit more tighter. But let me get my ass to work before I get fired. But good morning, y'all. So it is the very next day. Excuse me, I actually just woke up. I'm about to beat my face because honey wants to go have breakfast. So I'm about to get my stuff together. I'm about to wipe my face down, focus, with these wipes so I can get started. I'm not gonna do like a super beat face because I don't really wear that much makeup, but I'm just doing enough for, you know, to look pretty and for the content of this video. So I'm gonna do a little something. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how I beat my face. I'm probably not gonna film every little thing I'm doing, but I am gonna just pull the whole look together so you can see me go from bummy to motherfucking sugar daddy, sugar baby baddie. So that sounded so corny, but it's the truth. So yeah, I'm about to sit up here and get my face in order, and I'm about to get started. So I'm done with my makeup. I just touched up my hair. I'm loving this look. So I don't have to be dressed till later. I don't think what was I gonna say? I don't think it's not till, I think it's not till 8, but I'm about to actually go lay down for a little bit because I've just been moving and doing a lot today. And also, please do be on the lookout because I do have a vlog dropping after this. I think I might drop this video tomorrow, and then I have the vlog. I'll drop the vlog Monday. But this is the final result. I really love it. I love how I did my makeup. I don't have on actually too much foundation, just a little bit, and I just threw on some, just threw it together, you know. But this is the glow up, sis. You know, I'm feeling it. Hopefully I get to take some pictures, but I'm really loving this hair though. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my glow up challenge. I know it's probably not like everybody else's, but I really kind of didn't want to do it like everybody else. But I just wanted to show my plus size ladies that, sis, we sexy too. We got this. And you know, this is how, if you want to have a sugar daddy, this is how you need to come. Now, I'm not saying you got to be like this all the time, because there's some that really don't care about makeup. There's some that really just you know, want you to be dressed up, but I'm gonna actually go hang out with him in a few minutes. So we're gonna go to dinner, and he's already stopped by. That's why I said I was doing some stuff earlier. We hung out, and he said he really likes my hair, so I'm gonna send him a selfie to show what his investment in me can look like. And I think he will be very happy to see what this investment looks like. So I'm about to go lay down, probably get like a little snack in, and yeah, so please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will have all my information in the description. So thank you guys all for joining me. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.